First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren chairs meeting to review natural farming report and double cropping activities and progress. Many condole loss of lives due to bus accident at Khaupum. Governor Laganeshan, others visit injured at different hospitals. And high-level meeting to review COVID-19 situation and related aspects in country being chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in virtual mode. A very good evening. You are watching IS English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. This is SURAJ Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren chaired a meeting to review the natural farming report and double cropping activities and progress today. The meeting was held at the Cabinet Hall. During the meet, Chief Minister and Biren assessed the mapping of agriculture value chain, implementation of AgriStack, India Digital Ecosystem of Agriculture, IDAA, under Digital Agriculture, Agriculture Industry Ecosystem, etc. Chief Minister and Biren recently said that the state government has initiated several methods to boost natural farming in the state. He asserted that the state government is committed to increasing the production of organic crops and their export to ensure a successful transition to sustainable agriculture. He mentioned that Rs 80 crore has already been earmarked in the state budget for purchase of local rice varieties from the local farmers. Biren has also called on the state farmers to adopt double cropping and utilize their paddy fields by growing other vegetables after harvesting season. Students and staff of Lamlong Higher Secondary School deeply condole the loss of lives in tragic None bus accident yesterday. They also observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. All Manipur Muslim Girls Students Union AMMGSU has also condoled the loss of lives in the bus accident in None district yesterday. A team led by AMMGSU president also visited the victims undergoing treatment at different hospitals. The president also appealed to the public to extend their support and assistance to the families of the victims. Film Forum Manipur has condoled the loss of lives due to bus accident along Old Kasa Road yesterday that claimed 9 lives. Members of the forum also observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. They also prayed for quick recovery of the injured victims who are undergoing treatment at different hospitals. The All Tribal Students Union Manipur Atsum said that it was dejected to learn of the accident of a bus carrying students of Thambalnu Higher Secondary School Yaripok, which occurred at Longsai Tungbung village of Khaupum subdivision, None district on December 22nd, wherein several innocent students succumbed to the injuries and many still struggling for lives. At this moment of tragedy, the Apex Tribal Student Body of Manipur joins in sharing and grief of bereaved families, friends, teachers and school management. In its condolence message, the Asum said, "May Almighty God bestow comfort and solace to bereaved families and may the departed students find eternal peace in heavenly abode." The Asum also prayed for the speedy recovery of the injured students. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently chairing a high-level meeting to review the COVID-19 situation and related aspects in the country. The meeting is being held in a virtual mode. It has been convened in view of the recent spike in COVID-19 cases in China, Japan, South Korea, France and the United States. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia and Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia are among those attending the meeting. Sources said that the centre might also issue an advisory to all states after the high-level COVID review meeting. States may be asked not to allow overcrowding while celebrating New Year. The meeting comes a day after Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia reviewed the situation. It was briefed that a new and highly transmissible BF7 strain of the Omicron variant has been found to be behind a wider surge of COVID infections in China. Meantime, the country's top doctors body, Indian Medical Association, has also appealed to the public to follow COVID-appropriate behavior with immediate effect. In an advisory, it listed necessary steps to overcome the impending COVID outbreak, including wearing masks in all public places, maintaining social distancing, regular hand washing with soap and water or sanitizers. Soon after, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia said in the Parliament that the government is keeping an eye on rising COVID cases in the country and listed measures to contain the spread of the virus. He said all states have been asked to do genome sequencing, and random sampling of international flyers has also started from today. The minister also urged people to follow COVID-appropriate behavior and get vaccinated against the coronavirus. Governor Laganeshan visited injured students at Raj Medicity, Imphal, who were injured in None bus accident yesterday. Among the 30 students admitted to ICU of the private hospital, 3 are presently in ventilator support and 3 in OT.
One more here, left side.
Awongbo Nyumai, Minister of Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management, condoled the loss of lives in the tragic bus accident at Khaupum in None district yesterday, which claimed 9 precious lives. The minister also extended deepest condolences to the bereaved families and shared their grief. He also prayed that the departed souls rest in peace and in heavenly abode. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed sorrow for the deaths in the tragic bus accident in None district in Manipur. Modi also announced an ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh to the next kin of the deceased and Rs 50,000 to those injured in the bus accident from Prime Minister's National Relief Fund (PMNRF). The Prime Minister's office tweeted, "Anguished by the loss of lives in Manipur's None district due to a tragic bus accident, my thoughts are with the bereaved families. I hope the injured recover soon. The Manipur government is providing all possible assistance to those affected. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh from PMNRF would be given to the next of kin of each deceased in the bus accident. The injured would be given Rs 50,000. At least 7 children lost lives after one of the 2 buses lost control and tilted on the roadside in None district on December 20th. Several others were injured and admitted to various hospitals in the state. The 2 buses carrying students belonged to Thambalnu High Secondary School, Yaripok, and were heading toward Khaupum for a study tour. Speaking to media in connection with the incident, the chief of Longsai village, Kavidon Gonmei, had said that the unfortunate incident occurred in an accident-prone area of the road. He had alleged that the reason behind the occurrence of this tragic accident is due to negligence of the state government, which failed to repair the road despite their request. Earlier, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on December 21st had announced financial assistance of Rs 5 lakh to the victims' families who lost their lives in a road accident after 2 school buses lost their control in the state's None district. Besides this, Biren Singh also announced giving an amount of Rs 1 lakh to seriously injured persons and Rs 50,000 to persons who sustained minor injuries. Earlier, the Director of Education, Government of Manipur, L. Nandakumar Singh, through an office memorandum, banned school excursions till January 10, 2023. Royal Riders Manipur held its 24th free medical camp at Kamjong District's Khayang village, located near Indo-Myanmar border. The interior village is located about 175 km from Imphal and 90 km from Ukhrul. Over 50 villagers benefited from the health camp. 4 doctors took part in the health camp. Medicines were also distributed by pharmacists to the attendees. Royal Riders Manipur President R.K. Tombisana said it is their pride and honor that they are able to organize the 24th medical camp unlike any other camps organized by the government and other organizations. He further said the medical camp was organized with the permit of the medical directorate and that the CMO Kamzong also sent nurses to assist in the medical camp. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with latest news and updates.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯡꯕ ꯕꯖꯥꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯆ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯦ.
Please contact 87947822217 or 8837483810.
We welcome all the new freshers.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching IS English News. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur SDDCM submitted a memorandum to the President of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes NCST Anant Nayak during his two-day visit to Manipur. The memorandum reiterated the long-pending demand raised by SDTCM, the inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. It also demanded that the state government should send the necessary recommendation to the centre immediately for the purpose, stating that the opposition by All Tribal Students Union Manipur Atsum in New Delhi over the demand could trigger complex issues and requested that it should be resolved soon. The 27th Foundation Day of Sri Sri Govindaji Nath Sankirtan was celebrated at Sri Sri Govindaji Nath Sankirtan Rehearsal Hall, Wankai Palace compound today. The second death anniversary of Padmasri Asta Debu was also observed as part of the event. Retired teachers of JN Manipur Dance Academy, K. Kumar, N. Thambalngau and M. Saitawal were among those present at the event. Attendees at the program eulogized Padmasri Asta Debu for his tremendous efforts and contribution in promoting and uplifting Manipuri Nath Sankirtan as well as Manipuri dance and culture. The Padmasri Asta Debu Memorial Award 2022 was conferred on Thingbaizam Nokuljit on the occasion. COVID-19 cases in India witnessed a margin decline, with the country reporting 185 fresh infections in the past 24 hours, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 4,46,76,515. While the number of active cases of the infection has dipped to 3,402, which constitute 0.01% of the total infections. A decrease of 6 cases has been recorded in the active COVID-19 cash lot in a span of 24 hours. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll stands at 5,30,681, with just one new death reported in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,41,42,432. The country's recovery rate stands at 98.80%. Over 220.02 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the Northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 65 crore and 98 lakh, while more than 66 lakh 78,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 63 crore and 27 lakh. Globally, United States of America has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Klasa FC Kaino has bagged the overall champion of the ongoing Loktak Trophy. In the final match played at Ngangkhalekai Sports Complex today, Klasa FC Kainok defeated Sagolban United by 2-0. For the winners, KH Lucky and SH Rajdan netted the winning goals at 6th and 57 minutes respectively. Klasa FC Kainok's SH Rajdan was adjudged Best Player title, while the team's goalkeeper S. Sanatun bagged the Best Goalkeeper title. All Moirang Football Association organized a trophy sponsored by NHPC Limited Loktak Power Station. Altogether, 6 football teams subdivided into 2 groups competed in the tournament held since December 10th. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren chairs meeting to review natural farming report and double cropping activities and progress. Many condole loss of lives due to bus accident at Khaukum. Governor Laganeshan, others visit injured at different hospitals. High-level meeting to review COVID-19 situation and related aspects in country being chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in virtual mode. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and have a great evening.